Hi sir, this is Satyam Prakash, 18BIT0147 from A1 Slot mobile app, and my other two team members are Devang Binyala, 18BIT0135, and Mayank Kumar, 18BIT0103. So sir, we basically created a restaurant order app named Well Food, which is nearby my home. So we created this, which will be too much helpful during this pandemic times, where people would resist going to the restaurant themselves. Rather than they would prefer to order food which will deliver at their doorstep. So it will be really helpful for them, as well as it will also be safe. So sir, I and Devang are here mainly to describe regarding the directory structure of our app. So sir, in the directory structure, basically we have two directories. That is the Java folder, Java directory, and the resources directory. So sir, first of all, Devang will be explaining regarding the Java directory. Over to you, Devang.
Hello, sir. So now I will tell about the Java files. As we know, Java files are used for functioning of any app. It contains all logical parts. So I will start from database first. We have used SQLite database for persistent use of local storage for storing the data. So we have created one, we gave our database name as wellfood data, and we have created one table for login details. The table name is customer. Then we have three columns in this table, name as ID, name and password. Another table for ordering details. Then like its keys are order number, item name, quantity and price. Then we have created one default constructor, and then one function for creating the tables on create function. So it creates the table we have written this commands. So it will create the tables, and this on upgrade function, if these tables exist previously, then it will drop these tables and create them again. Like we have given on create function here. First two commands for dropping the tables, and the third is for creating tables again. Then another function for add account. In this, we are creating new account like string. The parameters are name and password. Both are string. So we are here creating the new account. Then another function for get data. Then check account. We will check if it's already exists in our database. Then other is add to cart function. Here we will add the order of customers. And then get order details here. Then if any customer wants to delete his order, he can delete here also. And one function for delete all. So it can delete all the table, all data. So now we have added splash screen here. So I will show you. So here this function on create function is here. We have added r.layout.activity.splash here. Then we have created intent. So this is splash screen. Then I will go to main activity file. So this is main activity. It's extends app compact activity file, which is then implements in this interface. And again on create function for like and yeah, then we have created one intent, like intent equals to get intent, then string, like for like we if when customer log into our application, then it shows like hello, like customer's name, like Devang, hello Devang, welcome to Well Food Restaurant, and then this command dot show for showing the toast there. Then this is a default fragment. Then this is the navigation view. This is in this main activity file. Then we have several menus like Chinese, continental, fast food. Then I will show you this Chinese adapter. As we know, adapter is a bridge between UI and data source. It helps us to fill data in UI component. Like when we add some food in our cart, so it will added in our database also. So here we have created one class Chinese adapter which extends this file default file. Then we are creating some variables here. Then this is one default constructor here. Then another function is getView function, no display. Uh, then another is view image, as you you have shown, you have seen in the demo, like some images. Then adding and some deleting, like if customer wants uh, to add in its cart, it can like add some quantity, like quantity equals to quantity plus one. And if quantity is greater than zero, then if you minus them, like we have two functions to add and to um, minus. And then this is a Chinese class. Here we have created this Chinese class and some variables, private string item name and this, and other constructor here. And these are the functions of this Chinese class, like get item name, it returns item name, item price, item image, item quantity. Same for this continental and fast food Italian. And I will go for Chinese fragment. Here, uh, like it's a fragment is a subpart of an activity. So this is all about fragment. Here it's a list view. We have added list view here. Then I will show you the order adapter. The same for order adapter. Here is a list view. We have listed all the menu here, like Chinese, continental are in proper list view. You can select them. Then so submit order. Here, when we want, when customer wants to submit its order, it can send email to our like email like wellfood@gmail.com. Like we have created intent, like intent chooser equals to null, then intent equals to new intent. We are creating one intent to send our order through the mail. Then this is intent dot extra mail, this wellfood at the rate gmail.com, and subject is wellfood restaurant order. Then we have started the activity, like start activity intent. Now Satyam will discuss about resources.
Yes, sir. So now I'm going to tell about the resources folder. So, sir, resources folder are pretty much in very much depth to discuss about. So, sir, I'm just going to give the overall, the small overview about the resources folder. So, sir, first of all, we have the anim folder in which we have all the animations. So, animations include that while clicking on buttons, what all animations we will see. So, basically, it contains information regarding the animations. Then after that, we have the drawables folder. So sir, here it contains mainly the image icons which will be going to use in our app. So mainly it contains images and logos. As you can see that this burger image is there. Then there comes the layout folder. Yeah. So here we have the layout folder. So basically it is the main part of the app where all the images and all things are present. So it is the main part of the app. Then we have the fragments folder. So in the fragments folder, in the yeah layout, not the folder, it's basically the fragment file like fragment italian.xml and fragment main.xml. So basically it gets inside the layout, and it is also dynamic, which is it keeps on changing. So then we have the menu folder. There on the menu folder. Yeah. So in the menu folder, it mainly contains whatever menu options we saw. So for example, the activity main draw.xml. Devang, can you open that? Yeah. So this is the main menu. As we can see that here main menus are present, like the kind of food, be it fast food or seafood or Italian food, and the profile part, that is the order details, submit order, logout, etc. So after that, there comes the map folder. So in the map folder, sir, basically it contains resizable PNG icons that are useful when we have different size of Android screens. So sir, we all know that all of us don't have the same phone size. Some have 5 inches, some have 6 inches screens. So sir, these PNG icons can be resized according to our needs. So there won't be any problem if there comes uh, uh, topic of the icons or logos. So it is resizable. Then lastly, sir, we have the values folder. In the values folder, we have the values of colors and strings. So sir, we know that whenever app gets loaded, so it shouldn't take much time. Otherwise, the user will get irritated. So that's why we have the values of colors and strings. So sometimes what happens that when we close an app and open it again, so it gets some time to get rendered. So that's why we have the values of colors and strings, so that whenever app gets loaded, it don't take much time to get rendered. So whatever text that is going to appear in our app, that is present in the values app, values folder. So sir, now we are going to run the app and show you how it looks. Devan, can you run it? Yes, here we have the well food icon. When it opens, we have the sign up and the sign in button. First of all, we are going to create our account by using the sign up. We enter the name and password. When we click on add account, see sir, the toast function works, that login user added successfully. Then we use the login page, login. So yeah, we
It
successfully
shows.
got logged in. Then we have the menu part. Yeah. So sir, here we saw that when we clicked on those three lines, it got opened. But sir, if we basically use on mobile, then it also works as a swipe functionality. So when we swipe from left, we can get that. But now in the
Swipe
emulator,
function is not working in this
yeah,
emulator.
right now in the emulator, it's not working. So for example, let's open the Italian food.
Like this is okay. I will open this Italian.
Yeah, so it is Italian food. So we have the list of foods here. For example, if we want to order one Italian pizza or pasta, anything.
Okay. Like I'm ordering the Italian pizza.
Yeah. So clicked on it,
Then
then add to cart.
then it shows order added to the cart.
Yeah. So now we can go to the order details. Yeah.
Shows like
Already finger fish we already added to the cart, so it's already showing there. So it's in the form of a list view. So we see that these order details are there. So now we can submit the order. Devan, can I show that?
okay.
Yeah. One second. Yeah. So, sir, we mainly have linked it to the Gmail. So, whenever the user wants to submit an order, it will go as a mail. So, as we are doing it in emulator, so we need to give access to it. But, sir, in another video, Mayank will be showing the full functioning of the app, in which the email part will also be shown. So sir, that's all from our side.
So
Thank you,
we
sir.
can log out also.
Yeah, that we also be showing. Yeah, here we have the logout option. Are you sure you want to log out? Okay. So we got
And again,
successfully logged
this
out
function
and
will
we came to,
work.
yeah, we came to the home page. Sir, you also saw that when we open this app, an animation comes like sign up and sign in button comes from the left and the well food icon it comes from above. So we also have included an animation here. So that's all from our side, and Mayank will be going to explain the full functioning of the app in another video. Thank you, sir.